Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here with Catnpaws. So a trip to Joann's. I really wanted to go in and take advantage of their paper crafting supply sale they had going on. So I hit the Tim Holtz pretty hard. I picked up some of these hitch fasteners. Mostly everything I got was $5.99 minus the 40%, which made everything pretty much $3.59. And you can see there I got the tri-colored hitch fasteners. I use these in my journals to help secure my clasp. And then I did pick this up. This is new to me, the collage paper. And I just thought it was really cute with the birdies and the, hint of like muted background colors. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it does. But I know it was $5.99 and then on sale. That's good. I'm glad it's not. It just seems to be wrapped. Okay. Oh, wow. That is a very thin paper. So like a napkin collage. I can just use Mod Podge or glue. Or even just glue it down to a page. Wow, do you hear the sound of that? That is very nice. So again, that was on sale. And I paid $3.59 for it. I'll roll that back up. I wonder if it's important to keep the plastic on it. I don't know if it will take in certain, like the moisture in the air. And we get some humid days here, so some wet days. So April showers bring me flowers, right? So I picked that up. And I also picked up the trinket tins. Why? Because I could. Because they were there. It was the last one. I'm like, let me get one of these because they're cute. The same deal. They were $3.59 after the discount. And, oh good. It's just like a secrets box. It is hinged. Well, I like that. It is just, laid on the design. So it would like scratch off, not peel off. And then here's the other design. So I did get those. And my last piece I got for $5.99 on sale for $3.59 was this worn wallpaper. So again, I think this is new. There's many designs. It says here on the back of the package, a gathering of texture vintage-inspired salvage wallpapers. My sister has been gutting my parents' house, and she ran across some very old wallpaper. I don't think she was able to get it off in one piece, but it was behind the bathroom mirror, and that house is over 100 years old, so who knows how old that wallpaper actually is. And it did kind of look like, well, it was more blue with the flowers on it. Okay, so there is a bit of a texture on there. And they do feel like wallpaper samples. Do you remember going with your parents to go get wallpaper? Well, at least 70s and 80s, I went with my mom. She went and got wallpaper. It'd be there in rolls, and it smelled kind of weird, and wallpaper glue smells really weird. And then she would proceed to wallpaper. And she did it often. I don't know how she had the energy to wallpaper. And now it's like a stigma almost if you say, I want to wallpaper something. Because, it's a pain to get back down. That's very pretty. I could almost see a dining room in that. Like the lower half of the dining room. And you might hear the choo-choo train. That's pretty too. Very bright. Almost retro looking. So you see there's a good bit. I mean, not bad. For $3.59. I could see myself gluing this down into a journal over a page. There we go. There's the horizontal for you. I guess you could go up and down if you really wanted to. The same with that, either way. So that is the worn wallpaper. Does it say how many sheets? 24, 5x8 sheets. And then the last couple of things I picked up in the Tim Holtz line was this tiny attacher. Okay, I want a little stapler. Bananas here. I wanted to get the little one, and I did pick up the refills in it as well. And there's 50 staples in this one to fit in there. So this on sale, it was originally $16.99 on sale, and I paid $10.19. The staples were $3.99 on sale for $2.39. So there, if you want to think about making an investment like that. If I would have waited till it went off sale and then had one of those 60% off coupons, but I was there and I wanted it, and I got it. And I just got to have more Joann's, but that was the end of my, no, not the end. One more thing, I got the tiny snippets. These were $2.39 after the discount. Again, 40% off. They just have various small things. And I want to do a project share where I use some of these little snippets, because I came up, you know, I was kind of messing around with some scrap paper, and I said, oh, I got to share this. So be on the lookout for that. All right, back to my stapler. We go to Target, and me and Samantha, we shop the end caps like most everybody else, right? And we almost got a pinata stick that was $2.38. And I said, what are we going to do with that? So you put that back. It was so colorful though, and it's just like, why not have a pinata stick? I've never had one. You have to use a broomstick when I've ever had a pinata. They had a lot of these staplers, so I'll give you the number. I don't know if it will help anybody if they're even looking for something like this, but it was not $15.99. It was $4.79. It is a swing line. That's the kind I have in my work desk. So I have to think it takes regular staples if it's a swing line. Like you would get the swing line staples, which I have thousands and thousands of in my work desk. So I can just bring, you know, home a couple sleeves to put in there. But I like that it's the one-handed. You know, I have the same thing at work, but it's long and, you know, it's your standard work stapler. And I like the beauty of this one, so I got it for $4.79 at Target. So I'll show you that again in case you can look up that number. Now, when I, like, beeped it on my phone for the cartwheel, it said it was the original price, but it was not. It was on clearance, but there's no sticker. Oh, they had Yankee Candle Lucky, I think. It kind of smelled like a fruitiness, but I did not get it. It was $8 and something for that. I could go to Yankee Candle and get a candle. Not one that's been sitting out on the shelves for a long time and, you know, on clearance. All right. And then the other things I picked up, again, these were 40% off, so they end up being $1.19. Originally $1.99. I got the mermaid paper clips. A couple of the flamingo. I think I got 3 packs. And the unicorns. So I go to the checkout counter, and the lady goes, oh, we just put the rest of our Halloween in clearance. I'm like, I never even walked back to clearance. They have moved it in my store, so now it's in a different location. So anyways, I should get a coupon for using, like, going to Joann's twice. When I get my coupon, I'm going to go check out the clearance then. So this is all the Ms. Sparkle & Company. And last up is some bags. I got the glassine bags, 8 bags, 2 of each. There are different designs. I'm going to take them out because I've seen a lot of people haul these, but I haven't seen what's actually inside. And you can kind of only see through the side there. These are supposed to be glassine, okay? They feel more like paper. They smell like paper. Actually, they smell like crayons. You get 2 pink, and then the chevron and the yellow, the blue and the stars, and then whatever pattern this is called, and the purple. And then on these are the glassine bags, birthday fun. So this was the Brights. And then this is the birthday fun. Again, 8 bags, there's 4 patterns. They did have like birthday balloon ones. I don't know if there was something else in it. They had the wood grain pattern there. They had the one that says like Pop Fizz. They were craft color. But I have a lot of craft color bags. So we have the shape, the stripe shape. We have the confetti. There is the flags. And 2 of those. And then the balloons. Oh, that's pretty, the balloon one. Again, these were $1.19 each. Same with the paper clips. Last thing I have to show you is today's sale. Today is the 26th of April. So this sale starts today, Thursday, runs through Monday the 30th. Daffodil Dash. So there, if you want to check and see, well, this is in my area. This is in Pennsylvania, Philly area. What's on sale in my store. And then here's the coupons. So you have a, what, 50% off. Regular priced item. It's hard to find regular priced items though for me because it seems like everything's on sale when I'm there. $5 off 35. And then 4-H members. All right, that is it. That's what I got at Joann's. Thanks for hanging with me. Take care. Bye.